In this sort, you will be sorting the pieces by the short O, ah, like in s-ak, and the long O that says its name, like in b-o-n. There's also the oddball group because a word or more than one word do not fit in this pattern. So let's check out the pieces. We have a box, boat, clock, top, fox, goat, dot, road, mop, toe, hose, soap, coat, lock, nose, vase, and rock. Now that we know the pieces, let's get sorting. B-ox, I hear the short O, ah. B-oat, I hear the O say its name, so that's the long O. Clock, I hear the short O, ah. H-O's, I hear the long O say its name. T-op, I hear the short O, ah. S-ope, I hear the O say its name to make it the long O. Coat, again I hear the long O say its name. Ox, I hear the short O, ah. Goat, I hear the long O. Lock, I hear the short O, ah. Dot, I hear the short O, ah. Nose, I hear the long O say its name. Road, again I hear the long O. Ace, this one I hear the long A, so it's not a short O or long O. He's the oddball. Op, I hear the short O, ah. To-o, I hear the long O say its name. Rock, I hear the short O say ah. So in the short O, we have box, clock, top, fox, lock, dot, mop, and rock. The long O that says its name, we have boat, hose, soap, coat, goat, nose, road, toe. And the oddball is vase.